Hello, my name is Nikolai, and in today's video I'm going to tell you about the most efficient techniques of introduction and memorization of new language material. There's been done a lot of research proving the efficiency of the techniques this video is about. These methods may significantly ease introduction and improve memorization of new material. First, always start with simple, easily understood, and the least complicated material, and then gradually move to complex, more complicated aspects of the language which are difficult to absorb. Second, introduce new material using old, previously studied material. Thus, it is much easier to grasp, digest, and assimilate new ideas, because the learner, being in his or her comfort zone within familiar words and rules, can better focus on new pieces of information, easily make this new material an integral part, and that's why highly productive part, of already existing knowledge and skills. Let's consider an example of implementation of already mentioned two pieces of advice. As you can see, we go from simple to complex aspects and with old to new material. As a result, following this advice leads you to incredibly efficient interleaved practice. Third, interleaved practice. Interleaved practice is a process where students mix or interleave multiple topics while they study in order to improve their learning. Here we interleave topics. Recurrent elements are marked with the same colors, so you can see them interleave, mix, and interact with each other. Knowledge and skills gained through interleaving are naturally internalized, solid, stable, ready to use, on the tip of your tongue, which is especially important for language learners. Interleaved practice is the opposite of the more traditional blocked practice. In blocked practice, we focus on one topic, one aspect, for a while. Then we move on to the next one. As you see, the elements are not repeated. They're studied isolatedly, outside already studied aspects. As a result, knowledge is vague, unstable, unreliable, uncoordinated. It doesn't form a clear scheme and is very difficult to use. And such knowledge, especially in stressful situations of oral communication, is likely to betray a learner. Cognitive psychologists believe that interleaving improves the brain's ability to differentiate between concepts and strengthens memory associations. Interleaving also leads to better long-term retention, and, moreover, interleaving improves ability to transfer learned knowledge, helps you produce the right language at the right time. Other tools that also help students differentiate between concepts and strengthen memory associations are tables, mind maps, and other kinds of visualizations. Fourth, tables and mind maps. These tools are used to visually organize information. Tables and mind maps help learners compress information, thus making it easier to remember. Tables and mind maps show relationships among pieces of the whole, helping students understand concepts and ideas. And last but not least, spaced repetition and active recall. Spaced repetition is repetition of information at increasing time intervals. Active recall is when you recall information not passively, simply by reading or watching it, but when you make an effort to retrieve the information from your memory, for example, answering a question relating to this information. Spaced repetition and active recall used together in studies are the mightiest learning techniques, allowing to boost the learning process, use study time significantly more efficiently, and produce best long-term results, thus making you a much more confident language speaker. Thank you for watching and see you next time.